Hey, what's up? We're going to take a look at Antares Metamorph for your DAW or plugin of choice. We're just going to go through the process of recording a vocal, and we're going to process it, and I'm going to try to do like a female backing track. This is editing dealio. I'm very sorry for saying so many times. All right. Let's go to Studio One. Auto-Tune is currently running live on my voice on the Apollo Twins. That's making sure that I'm going pitch correct into onto tape. And I'm kind of making this stuff up on the fly. Okay, I got that. As you can see, we're at Studio One. Got a beat that I just did off my live stream. Jazz. It's jazzy. I can say, party in the night tonight. We're gonna have a good time. I'll record that. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna have a good time. I got that on tape, right? We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna have a good time. All right, now I'm going to do like a la 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 la. Feels good to me. So we're going to do like 4 backing tracks of like female vocals using Metamorph. So the first thing you need to do is record a vocal. So I'm going to sing in a falsetto, which is more of a female range. La, 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 la. Feels so good to me. I feel the energy. And I'm making this up. La, 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 la. Make sure I got the right input. This happened in real time, y'all, so bear with me. La, 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 la. Feels so good to me. I feel the energy between you and me. Typical R&B vocals. And I'm going to do a dub of that. So that's original. La, 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 la. We're going to record another one like this and make sure I got the right input set up. And let's go. La, 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 la. Ooh, that first note was bad. Here we go. La, 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 la. Feels so good to me. I feel the energy between you and me. So now we got 2 vocals that are dubbed, and we, with background vocals, you want to pan them left and right, however you want to do it. La, 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 la. Feels so good to me. But it sounds like a guy doing falsetto. So this is where we bring Metamorph into the picture. So we're going to go to Reasons and Metamorph. We're going to bring that in. And so this is the display of Metamorph right here. And what I'm going to do is hit record first and hit play so that we can put in our training for the model to do its thing. So it's waiting for audio. I hit play. La, 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 la. Feels so good to me. I feel the energy between you and me. All right. So now it says choose a vocal model. I like the vocal chameleon. It says soprano, female. And you select your model, then you hit transform. It's going to render that. Shout out to M4 Max processor. And here's how the vocal sounds by itself. La, 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 la. Feels so good to me. I feel the energy between you and me. All right, and we're going to do it again. We're going to open up another Metamorph for now. That information is stored in RAM, so it's not happening real time, but it does process it. And advantage of this is that it is not using up credits. That's one of my biggest gripes with messing with AI stuff is the credit system. Because you're going to make mistakes. As you learn to do it, you're going to make mistakes, and these mistakes are going to cost you. Here you can make as much mistakes you want. It's not going to cost you extra. Let's dump that second voice in. La, 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 la. Same thing where I'm recording the vocal in. I feel the energy between you and me. All right. And I'm going to choose the same model. Vocal chameleon, transform. And so what we're going to do is, transfer very quickly. So we're going to solo both of those and let's hear the result. La, 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 la. Feels so good to me. I feel the energy between you and me. All right, and if I bring the beat back in, we got this result. If I unmute.
La, 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 feels so good to me. I feel the energy between you and me.
Okay, so let's say we want to try another female voice, because that's like the things we got. Soprano, female, amber glow. We're going to transform. We still have the original training vocal in the RAM right there. We're going to do this again, and we're going to do amber glow, transform. Right there is transforming. I like how that grows when you're moving the mouse. It like brings it up. That's really intuitive. All right, so let's hear what it sounds like with a different model.
La, 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 feels so good to me. I feel the energy between you and me.
Or you can have two different people singing. So I could have this one be amber glow. We can go back to vocal command, and you know this goes as far as your imagination goes. So I can. It already had. Oh, so I didn't have to retransform it again. That's cool. Let's play.
La, 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 feels so good to me.
So now I got two different vocals as backing tracks.
Energy.
And of course, if you like to hear a little bit of reverb, we just add an FX track and put that little bit of that up in there. Right. We can shift these, put these on a nice bus, and then we can send that bus to the effects. And let's hear what we got.
La, 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 feels so good to me. I feel the energy between you and me.
Yeah. So that's how you use Metamorph. And, you know, you got these different models you can try out. And I think it's really cool. And it's so totally based on your performance going in. Of course, you could apply autotune to your audio track and then do that. Or take autotune and put it back. I know you're hearing autotune on my voice, but, you know, that's part of the process. It's a, you know, sort of a no-brainer that Antares would do something like this. Very interesting. It could be a good reference track, or you can release songs with that, or it could be a reference track for a friend to sing, and then they can sing it, and then send the tracks back to you. So I think it's really cool. All right, if you like this, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Peace.